Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person sitting down on the floor but as seen from the top. So it's an aerial view. So if you have your pencils all set, we're going to put down some framework. So essentially this is a pose that we necessarily may not come across every day, but it is good to know because for illustration purposes and for different purposes it may come in handy. So we are looking at the person's head right here, and that is the shoulder set, the chest, and then we move down toward, that's the lower end of the torso, let's say, and then we have the hips right about here, and then the lower legs right around there. The legs, let's say that we'll try different options, but let's try crisscrossed legs to start. You could also Google images, and many options can be found online as well. So we have this particular frame in place. So let us draw ourselves. So let's say that we are looking at that bit perspective where we can see, let's say, a hint of the person's nose, eyes, and let's say the hair is right here. So that is the hair, and the ears are visible from that angle, like so. We have the chest. Depending on what the person's framework is, or what the person's build is, shoulder set there again. And to start off, we have this first placement, so calf and shin area, and we have the person sitting cross-legged essentially. Same exercise here. And that leg goes under this one, so, and some of that foot would come on top really. So we have something like that. And of course with the arms we can do a few different things. So let's say that this person is sitting in a yoga pose. So that is the upper arm going downward, there's the elbow, and there's the forearm. Same exercise here. And the hand we can place, let's say for starters, like that. So that is one angle. And we will follow that up with slightly different take here. So let's say that we want to show the person in the lounging position, sort of. So in that case the arms would go right down, and we would probably see something like that. From that perspective, from the immediate top view, we would probably see something like that. Of course, depending on the hand size, on the size of the person, the accompanying anatomy, it might differ. But So hands on the ground, and then slight more visual of the torso because it's like leaning forward. And of course we have the legs. Let's say we place them like that. There's the feet. So that's one leg, the groin area, and then let's have the other leg down there below the other leg, and there's the foot. So very popular pose that we might come across, but essentially we have this as an option as well. So one more thing that we could also do is, if the person is just like sitting down on a chair, that would mean that the torso is not leaning forward. We go back to the original position that we had, and we could just do that. So shot of the knees, and just imagine the legs like going down, perhaps a shot of the feet right there, and of course there's the chair surrounding the person. Let's say it's an armchair, you'll put the arms right there on the chair. And if not, of course you could have the arms like crisscrossed, and I know that it's getting messy, but all useful. So please do try these different options. So we will pick one that we primarily work with, or we could choose any one of them and just like put some key framework around it. It's a very simple but very, very effective, and perhaps again, as mentioned, very instrumental for different illustrations. Okay, I hope that is a little more clear. So there we have it, the primary framework pretty much highlighted. Forgot the foot there. So please do try it out. We put out content every day, so please subscribe and keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.